Hi everyone, it's Barefoot Beater here from Tomaline's Treasures. Came here to show you my seventh. I'm sorry. Came here to show you my December bead box unboxing. As you can see, I've already unboxed it. I actually got this in last week, and after hearing that so many people were still waiting on theirs, I decided to wait on mine. And since I don't do business or anything on the weekends, I had to wait till today to get it done. And so when I went on to YouTube today, I noticed that a lot of people have gotten their stuff in now. So I guess I could do mine now. Anyway, here we have the package that it came in. Nice packaging. We've got the blue organza bag that all the beads came in, and it was wrapped up in nice tissue and everything. It's put in this organza bag. Very pretty. And then of course we have our shipment identification key on here, and it gives you a list of all the things that we received this month, which was a generous amount. For the $17.98 that you paid for, you get quite a lot of stuff here, and it's approximately valued at $72. So can't beat that. I'm very happy with this, and this is a very good month subscription here. I really do like Bargain Bead Box. Okay, let's see what they had to say about this stuff and get this show on the road, shall we? It says, "Your beads. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from our family to yours. This month's palette features a serene blend of blue and silver with a hint of festive sparkle. Highlights include a lapis lazuli pendant and faceted rondelles, sparkling blue, goldstone, electric plated agate, English cut sesame jasper, and bright crystal accents. Silver snowflakes, findings, and a crescent focal complete this package." Then it goes on to say your package, or your coupon, take 20. I'm sorry, I can't read today, I can't speak today, but I'm going to try to get through this. It says, on your coupon, it says take 30% off your order at our sister store, which is Bead Box Bargains. Shop our selection of beads and findings online at www.beadboxbargains.com, and don't forget to use your exclusive coupon code, which is valid till January 31st. Of course, I crossed mine out because if you get your beads or subscription, you'll have your own code. It says, no, you can use this coupon repeatedly until it expires. Well, that's a good deal. So, and then it says about your creations. Show us what you make with your shipment, and you'll be entered to win a $25 gift certificate to Bead Box Bargains. To enter, share a photo of your creation featuring the beads in this shipment with us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/bargainbeadbox, or via email to the address below. Winner will be announced on our Facebook page and notified via email. Great. That is a good deal. And I know already that I'm going to be using my coupon. So, because I could use that 30% and I could use some more beads. Okay. So our first order for the day is a 1 meter, 4 millimeter Rolo jewelry chain in antique silver, lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. And you get a good amount of chain there. You can make it several necklaces with this. Well, I've already got a knot tied in mine, don't I? I'll have to get that out later. But like I said, they give you plenty. Okay. Number 2, we get a 6-piece 19 by 14 millimeter snowflake charms in antique silver, lead-free and nickel-free. I have the hardest time with these little baggies for some reason. Some of them open up real easy, some of them they're a little bit more difficult. Okay, there's 6 of them in here. Looks like they're double-sided. They've got good weight to them. And those are nice. Make a lot of things with those. Okay. Number 3, we have 4-piece 22.5 by 19 millimeter snowflake charms in antique silver, and they're lead-free and was it cadmium free? So get 4 instead of 6, but they're bigger. And the pattern on these snowflakes are just a little bit more, they're not exactly the same either, but they're nice. And these are double-sided as well. Very pretty. Okay. Number 4, we have 2-piece 15 by 14 millimeter crystal hexagon beads, slate blue iris. Beautiful. These are beautiful. I'm not even joking about that. These are beautiful. Aren't those pretty? And the fastest catch the light, so pretty. They're a little bit more on the gray side, but they catch the blue. I really like those. I wish I'd gotten 2 more, but I'll be thankful for these. Number 5, we have 3 sets of 20 by 17.5 swirled toggle beads, or toggle clasps, rather. And I love toggle clasps because you can do so many things with them. They're a very versatile component to your jewelry. You can do all kinds of things with them. You can use them like they were intended for clasps, or you can use them as earring findings, or you can use them as connectors. Very nice. Now they're kind of small, so you probably wouldn't want to put something really heavy on them. But they're nice. Okay, number 6, we have 42 by 48 millimeter crescent chandelier focal, antique silver, lead-free and nickel-free. And this is one of my favorite components in there because I like boho and native style, and that's what these remind me of. It's only one-sided, but it's very, very well made. It's not cheaply made. It's not going to bend on you. It's going to hold its shape nicely. And you can use it however you want. I mean, there's plenty of little holes there where you can put your chain or beads or whatever you want to. Cord. I love it. And wait till you see I've already seen a few of the things that some of these ladies have made. Awesome. Awesome. We have such creative people in our community. Okay, number 7, we have 2-piece 31 by 28 millimeter crescent chandelier components. And these would go with that. They don't have the exact same design on them, but it would go with that other component I just showed you. They're only one-sided. You could use them as earring findings or components if you like, or you could use them for pendants even. I guess you could probably use them as connectors as well. They're pretty. They've got good weight to them. So, I know I'll find something to do with them. Number 8, we have a 7-inch strand of 8mm frosted matte sesame jasper round beads that have been dyed. And I get tickled at these beads. I don't know why. They just remind me of beads that have been, blue beads that have been stuck in the freezer and got a little bit frosty. I like these. They're real pretty and they go with this theme beautifully. Looking at these beads and these findings and, you know, the silver and blue and stuff, I think of a winter wonderland, you know. Dark blue sky with snow and glitter all around. Beautiful. Okay, number 8, we have a 7-inch strand, 8mm frosted matte sesame jasper. That was these. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're on number 9 now. 8-inch strand, 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads, light sapphire and half silver. And I love these beads too because these will definitely give you some bling. Very nice. And they've got a lot of sparkle to them too. Sparkly, sparkly, I like those. Okay, now we have a 14-inch strand of 6mm blue goldstone round beads, which are man-made. And from my understanding, all goldstone is man-made. They're just glass with silver sparkles in them. But I like them because they're pretty enough. I mean, they look just like gemstones to me. These are dark, dark blue, but they look almost black. I love them. Can you see the sparkle in them? If you look at them just right, you can see them sparkle. I love these beads. And they give you so many. They give you a whole lot of them. 14-inch strand here. It's going to go a long way. Okay. Number 11, we have a 28x25mm lapis lazuli faceted hexagon pendant with a brass bell. And it must be a silver coated brass bell because it looks silver to me. But it's pretty. And I love lapis. Nice. Really, really, really have to thank Bargain Bead Box this time, because they really knocked it out of the park. These, I'm very pleased with this order, and I haven't heard one person yet be dissatisfied with it. They really outdid themselves this time. Okay, number 12, we have a 12-piece strand, approximately 10 millimeter electroplated agate beads in matte blue iris. My favorite beads of the whole box. I'm going to have to go back onto Bead Box Bargains and get me some more of these, because these are my favorites. They have kind of a druzy look to them, but they're not. They're painted. Did they say it was painted agate? I think they did. Yes, it's agate beads. So we'll have to use some of the spacers that they give us to put between there, because you can see a lot of some of that agate showing through. These are pretty. I love these beads. They're my favorite. You can see some of the black shadow in them. Got a little bit of sparkle in them. I just like these beads for some reason. Okay, number 13, we have a 10-gram bag of 8 millimeter dotted star spacer beads in antique silver, lead-free and cadmium-free. I'm not going to take them all out of the bag, because I drop everything I get my hands on. But these are nice. You can see what they look like here. Those be nice spacer beads on the agate beads that I just showed you. Nice. Okay. Number 14, we have a 20-piece bag of 8 millimeter pressed glass beads, crystal clear with an AB finish. And these are, I've already got these. I've already got these made in my mind. I know what I'm going to do with them already. I don't have enough to keep in my stash, so I'm going to have to order some more just so I can hoard some, because these are beautiful. I like them. And they really do give you kind of that cold, wintry vibe, you know. You see the blue in them, and the pink, the yellow. I hope I'm getting this in the camera so you can see it. I see a lot of shadow down here, but maybe you'll be able to see the sparkle up here. Love those beads. And like I said, I drop everything I get my hands on. Okay, 15. We have a 10-gram bag of 7 by 5 millimeter fancy spacer beads in antique silver, lead-free and cadmium-free. And these beads are my favorite. Metal beads. Of all the beads there are, I like metal beads. I don't know why, I just like them. And these have good weight to them. Make great spacers. And they got a nice little design on them. These would actually go with those focals that I unboxed first. Very nice. I like those. Okay, now we have a 10-piece strand, 9 by 8 millimeter of hematite man-made snowflake beads in blue iris. And I didn't think I was going to like these at first, but the more I've looked at them and stuff, the more I seem to like them. So, but I do like these. You get 10 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And they're nice. They're pretty. You can see the blue in them. They're kind of frosty looking. Nice little snowflakes on them. It'll be interesting to see what other people do with these beads here. Okay, 17, we have a 14-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone beads in silver. And that's these. And they give you a lot of these. Look how shiny those are. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Oh, they already made a necklace for me. These are nice. They really, really sparkle, don't they? I like those. So I'll be using those too. We have 24-piece 35 millimeter brass head pins with a 1.5 millimeter ball, silver finish. And these here are so delicate. I'm not sure I'll be able to use them. Might be able to. I usually make my own head pins, but these would leave a cleaner, more refined finish, I believe. Just, I don't know if they'll work on these beads. They might be able to work on the real teeny tiny beads, but I don't know about the rest. Unless you wire wrapped them, then you might be able to use them. I'm going to try. I can't promise anything, but if I can't use them, I'll just keep them in my stash. I really like them. I may have to order some more. Maybe I'll use them for a cha-cha bracelet or something. Okay, number 19. We have a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter English cut faceted round sesame jasper beads that have been dyed. And these are pretty. Okay. Very pretty, huh? And I like the cut of the English cut beads. Very nice. Okay. Number 20, we have a 50-piece 5.5 millimeter star bead caps with antique silver, lead-free and cadmium-free. And these are really tiny. Really, really tiny. So I'm not even going to pour out a bunch. I'm just pour out a few because I will, you know me, I'm going to drop them. See? And little teeny tinies. But they give you a good amount. 50 bead caps there. That's a good amount of bead caps. Oops, there's one of my head pins that didn't get put away. right here for now. Oh, there it is. I'll just go ahead and put it away. Okay, and lastly, we have a 7-inch strand of 3x2 finely faceted lapis lazuli rondelle beads. And these are so cute. It's precious. See how tiny they are, and they just sparkle. Very nice. And they give you quite a few. Not sure what I'm going to do with mine, but I'm sure I'll find something. I love the way they sparkle. So much power for such a little bang. I love those. Okay, well, I guess that does that. First of all, I'd like to thank Bargain Bead Box for giving us this nice array of beads for the Silent Night theme. I would like to thank you all for joining me, and I would appreciate it so much if this is your first time joining me to hit the subscription notifications bells so you can find me again, and ring that little bell right beside it so you'll get a notification of every time I upload. And do leave a comment. I don't have a whole lot of subs right now, so I need friends. And I enjoy the comments. I really do. And I promise, you leave a comment, I will comment back. Well, I can anyway. So I appreciate y'all being here, and I hope you have a lovely day. God bless.